In Signage, graphic designers utilize icon sets of graphic elements to simplify, abstract, and convey the intended information. It is unfortunate that Peirce's technical semiotic terminology, written over a century ago, uses words in a particular way to explain semiosis, which now are used in design for certain design outcomes. This is the point I made earlier about going back to basics to relearn. In semiosis, the moment a visual element is perceived by the target audience, it will begin to suggest a meaning. At the basic semiotic level of representation, a combination of lines, shapes, marks, colours may be visually crafted to hook the audience's attention by resembling or suggesting something they already know. In Semiosis 101, we call this the iconic level, the lowest of 3 levels of sign action.